Keep going. Daddy's got you. Just hold. Keep going. Keep going. Well, I need to get down here and film this thing. Just for the heck of it.
Yes, Daddy.
Yep.
It's like a worm.
Yep. Here, give me a hand. That ain't no worm.
It looks like one.
You see a bunch of water, Aaron?
Yeah. But it's pretty. Over there.
Here, let me get your hand better.
Hey, we got it water.
Is that a bunch of water?
Yeah. Oh, no, kids don't jump in it.
I hope not.
If you don't like it, you ride a boat like on.
Careful.
Somebody's talking about you don't like, you don't feel like boat.
That's too shaky. Hold still for a minute. See that kid over there running in there, Aaron?
Yeah. I told you to.
It ain't real deep in there anymore.
It's not real deep.
No.
There's a little bit in there.
Yeah, it ain't real deep.
I
Yeah.
feel
Looks like it was up to the bottom of the flood wall there.
I don't think there's a whole bunch of big water.
You go in the big one.
Yeah, I shifted that.
There.
See that?
Junk over there. Bring the boat down here, Aaron.
Yeah. There needs to be a boat.
There's the water. There it is.
We need a boat for a log. Hey, where's the thought there was logs in it.
There probably is, but we ain't getting down there to see them, buddy.
Hey, put a rock in there.
That little boy over there playing in it.
No,
Hey.
this.
Yep.
Yeah, Daddy.
Don't get in it. You get your shoes wet. That little boy's in it, ain't he?
Look at me. Let me go another ride.
Alright, just don't step in it.
See that?
Yep.
Rode it real far. I rode it real far. These real ones. You got that? He's coming over here, Dad. Funny. Logs in here.
Aaron.
I get that one.
No, don't get that one.
That's a big one.
Don't get that one. Come over here. There's some little rocks over here. There's one.
Yeah.
Here's some here. Yeah, my engine was up to there. Aaron, get out of there. Get over here.
Whoa!
There's rocks over here you can throw.
I got one rock. See that? I throw it over.
Here, come here. You want to see some rocks? Come here. Look at all these. Look at all them rocks.
Yeah, I can throw them.
Yeah, you ready, buddy?
Not yet.
You ready to go over Mammoths? Come on.
These gross down too.
Nah, I don't want to throw none. Come here, grab me. I'm gonna pick you up. Looky at ya. Yuck, wipe them on Daddy's pants. Alright, come here. Come here. I got you.
You need to roast them, Daddy.
No, I don't want to throw none.